Alright folks, this is Josh at Veteran Roof Treatment. We're down here in the Outer Banks this weekend, or this week, doing some safe cedar shake roof cleaning. As you can see, we got Joe up top on the ladder, nice and tied off, everything OSHA safe. We're using no damaging high pressure to clean these roofs. We actually have a citrus-based mix that opens up the pores of the cedar, and then we have a steamed oil in our mix that actually rehydrates the natural 3% oil that's in cedar shakes. One of the things that you don't want to have done, well, a couple of things. You definitely don't want anybody getting on your cedar shake roof and doing any kind of power washing whatsoever. The reason being is because cedar shakes are a soft wood. So any kind of power washing or high pressure you're going to use on that wood is going to be doing damage to the surface of that cedar shake. You also don't want anybody walking on your roof wearing those bear claw shoes, because of cedar shake being a soft wood, all those bear claws are doing are basically nails digging down into your cedar shake roof and then poking thousands of little holes all over your cedar shake roof. The longevity of a cedar shake roof is that it has a natural 3% oil in it. That's why they use it as a roofing surface, is because it actually repels everything that's on it. It's the fungus and bacteria and moisture that lays on the top of it that makes it become a sponge. And that sponginess and the moisture that's created is basically a breeding ground for fungus and bacteria, mold, mildew, all of those things. And then that becomes a bed for things like moss, lichen, and then now you have a problem. So what we do, again, it's safe, low pressure. We're actually the area's only trained and certified cedar shake roof cleaning company, and we're the only company in the area that cleans it this way. So it's safe, low pressure. We do 99% of our cleanings actually from a ladder. We apply our solution onto the roof. We safely rinse that solution away with garden hose pressure, and then you're left with an absolutely beautiful roof. We're gonna put a before and after photo on this video as well. But if you know of anybody that could use a cedar shake roof cleaning, please don't hesitate to like and share this post, tag them in this post. We'd be happy to contact them ourselves. You can give us a call at Veteran Roof Treatment at 434-286-2961, or you can check us out at veteranrooftreatment.com. Thanks a lot.